I had the right one. Biggest one I got in my little kit. Good old Ace Hardware. Is it showing up there? Made in Taiwan. That's what the, I don't know what size that is. Big. 11 piece. 3/8 drive, but it doesn't even say what size it is. An 18mm wrench on the other end there. So, let's see if we can set the camera down and keep you guys entertained. Showing up, something like that. Nice having a lifted vehicle. We don't have to jack it up every time I work on it. Just gotta keep the tool in the end. Bushing will look a little hammered anyway. Come on. Almost. All right. Whew. Yeah, the threads look alright. That was just a pain. Oof. I don't know if it's there's a bushing in there. I guess that's part of the reason it was sticking out. Alrighty, let's go to the other side. Let's move that over. You know, before I made this video, actually before I made the last video that I'll probably put up first, I had the instructions for this little kit. Somewhere, somehow, in between then and now, I lost it. Is this gonna work? More or less, kind of not, maybe. Apologize if it's not showing anything in the camera. Oh, that's not going to be good one. There we go. That torque broke. That one went much easier. Those threads look all right. And she's loose. Let's see, now we gotta get the nuts off the top and drop these down. And then go try to find the instructions. A lot of suspension travel there. It's got to be 8-10 inches before I hit the bump stops. Cool. All the things we do for fun. Doing it all for you guys. So I can take the camera with and make more videos. And that size we're looking at, that's definitely too big. Have to grab a socket. It's gonna be a 15 maybe? Oh, look at that. 15's too big. 14. 14's too small. It's gonna be one of those standard size wrenches. Yeah. Huh. Could have swore the instructions said take it off the axle mounting first. Let's put the bolt back through. Keep it from spinning. We're hung up over here now. That's in. Run the other one through. Probably not even showing on the camera, am I? Alrighty. That one's broke free. Alright. We have a 15 millimeter deep here in a second. And let's see if we can get this one busted loose. Yeah, no sweat. Yeah, so I went up yesterday with the guy that has loaned me his trailer several times to get this thing home, to get the Oldsmobile home. Loaned me the engine hoist to get that big block in the garage. Helped me do the power steering gearbox on the 84 Chev. Loaned me his garage and his driveway so I could do a tune-up on the 94 when I didn't have the house. So he made comment he was going up to pick up a 53 Dodge pickup. So I told him I will ride along. Just the beginnings of the payback that I feel I owe him for using his equipment. So we jumped in his Dodge 3/4 ton with the diesel and cruised up to Anacortes with his trailer, picked up the truck. Sure glad I went along. He would have been out there. He'd probably still be out there. I know when I went to go pick the Jeep up, I was going to do it myself. My buddy Julio rode along, and I'm sure glad he did. So that was a long day to begin with, and that would have been even longer without somebody there. Same thing with the olds. I'm glad Ken rode along. Don't see too much of him anymore. He's on first shift. I'm on second. Should call him up and see if he'll sneak up here for a few hours one of these days. Maybe I can sucker him into doing some sheet metal work for me. Almost done. I should have just grabbed a socket, but it's Sunday. It's nice out here. Took the little slash around for a run around the backyard. Killed the batteries in that, so. Whew. The fingers are getting sore. That's a fun little toy, a little slash. Haven't done anything yet with the today with the Toyota. Left that to me, RC truck. May take it out this afternoon in a bit. Let's go this way. It's probably a little faster. Actually, let's put it in the other hand. Why isn't that focusing? There we go. And yeah, sheet metal's here for the olds. Got the ignition switch and door locks. I have to check to make sure that those keys will work. I don't know what the deal is with those. Thought they were supposed to come with keys. Haven't done a whole lot with it, just because summer's ending, coming into fall. We tend to get a bit of rain here in the Pacific Northwest. They're actually talking about being kind of cold and white this winter. So while the weather's still halfway decent, get the outside vehicles cleaned up and taken care of. Save the inside work for the rainy days. Come on, we're getting there. Oh, this is real exciting. I guess you could say you're watching Brian play with his nuts. Yeah, like I said, I should have grabbed a socket, but whoop. 6 of one, half dozen of the other. Alrighty, 12 minutes worth of doing that. I'll pop these out. Oh, look at that. That bushing's fried. I think it's supposed to have been a one-piece. That's probably the source of a lot of the noise on the front end of this thing as I drive it down the road. It's getting to the point where I'd go in a parking lot, make some turns, and it was popping and cracking. And alright, so let's see if I can find those instructions, figure out how those are supposed to go in. There's that other bag of hardware and a bracket. Looks like it's got to go on somewhere. So stay tuned, I'll be back. There's the power button, there it is.